don't really rap on this shit, man. That nigga get that money, spend that money, made that shit right back. This shit ain't nothing.
This a vibe, boy.
I put on chrome, get in my motor, I'm finna work it out. Get big at that, but move too fast, she tryna work it out. That nigga died for all that clowning, he was doing all that this. I got a dagger with that scope, you best believe that I'm not missing my shit a while and he
Stay safe.
Y'all like my shit? Y'all like my shit?
Can I drive down the street and come back?
Huh?
Can I drive down the street and come back?
Hell no.
I swear, I ain't gonna come back, bro. I swear.
Hey, motherfucker ain't coming back. You ain't
I ain't
coming
gonna come back. I swear, bro.
back. You ain't coming back.
Bro, I'll let you hold my vape, bro. I promise I
I
can.
got that shit?
Let me
You
hold
gonna
it.
open it?
Huh?
Let me hold it.
What?
You gotta open it.
You ain't getting it
I
back.
don't vape. I don't vape. Ooh, what that is?
Go ahead, get up in there. Go ahead, I ain't getting it. I ain't getting it. You feel me?
Who had tripped?
Come on, Jimmy.
What?
We got to, we got to advertise this shit.
Who had basically This ain't even the most expensive one. I'm already on.
Hey! No!
Hey, let me take your shit for a ride.
Huh?
Let me take your shit for a ride. No? I can't take it for a ride?
This thing?
Yeah. This yours, isn't it? Yeah. Let me take it for
I'll let you ride on the roof.
Nah,
That nigga said ride
drive.
on the fucking roof.
Let me take it to my crib.
Huh?
I'm trolling, bro.
No?
Hey.
Hey, let me borrow 10K.
10K? You got Cash App, Zelle?
I got cash. Let me get cash.
You want cash? 10K cash?
You want an amp?
Bank closed right now. I want to what? Nah, I already got speakers in my shit.
Amp.
Oh, what that is? Put me on feet. What?
Nigga, you don't know what an amp is?
Nah,
Amplifier,
nigga,
bro.
relax.
speakers, nigga.
Oh, shit.
This nigga.
See, I ain't know too much about that shit, bro.
Oh.
Relax, nigga.
2K RMS.
Hey, that shit loud as fuck. That shit loud as fuck.
Hit that bitch one more time, cuz.
Hey, you should hit that bitch. You shooting your nail. Yeah, alright.
Hey, how high were you revving?
Huh?
How high were you revving?
Let's get to 170.
Burnout.
Hey, watch out, watch out, watch out. Watch out. Give me a burnout.
just clapping.
Down there by in front of
We rotating.
Where they at?
Hold up. Oh, of course. Hey, CJ. He said, watch out.
Oh, shit, no. Why they about to wrestle? He just blamed this shit. Lock him up. Hey, this shit crazy. What happened?
Darnell, you! Darnell! Where you get a camera, Darnell? Darnell, when the hell you get a camera? Hey, Quill, go record that little part here. I'm about to go in front of the camera. Darnell, that's you? Come on.
That shit crazy. Y'all niggas funny.
There is just two of them.
You got the legs ready. You got a ball that head. Ain't nobody you. You're done. You're done.
Hey, y'all just it. Hey, I got a warm up for
They locked him up? Yo! Hey, free you, man! Hey, free you, my nigga! Free you, my nigga! Hey, why y'all locking him up? What happened? Hey, what happened? What happened? Hey, what happened? Hey, over here. Damn, free my nigga, man. Shut your ass up!